Hi, in this video we're going to cover investment hack number 1, investing with fractional shares. So the idea here is a long time ago you had to buy shares in batches or at least in whole numbers. But in today's world, many brokerages offer the ability to invest in dollar amounts, which means you're buying only parts of a share. So the brokerages actually own large amounts of shares and they divvy them out in fractions to you if that's what you want to buy. So this allows you to invest $100 and say, I want to own a little piece of Amazon that costs over $2,000. Or you could take $500 and deposit it into your account and tell the brokerage you want to divide it across 10 different stocks evenly. And it will split up the money and just buy however much of each stock that it can. The reason that this is such a game changer in investing is because it allows you to enter the market with just a small amount of money, and you can always invest as much as you want in whichever stocks, in whichever proportion that you want. So if the platform that you are investing in does not offer fractional shares, look around, go shopping for a new brokerage that offers that option. There are a few good options for that linked in the description below. This video is the first in a playlist I'm going to create of investing hacks. Some of them, like this one, are more for beginners, but there will be some more advanced hacks coming along the way that may help even advanced investors. So even if you've been investing for quite some time, you may find it helpful to just go ahead and watch through the playlist and skip any of them that don't apply to you, but you may pick up something that really changes your investing and takes it to the next level. Until next time, have a great day.